You just have to show first. Like, hold it. Look, this side. Okay. Yeah. Big chocolate. This way. Oh, time to eat?
Yeah.
This is the best part.
It's not easy.
I told you. Okay, now
We cut it.
meat and we cut it. We
Uncut it.
1/3. Okay, you can help me. It's very hard. Yay!
I got cut.
Oh no! It's okay now.
It's easy.
It's easy. Very good. What can you see inside?
Butter and chocolate.
Butter and chocolate. Okay, good. Now we pour. Can you pour? No. Help me. This spoon, with this spoon. Hold this spoon. Yes. Smells good.
Hi.
Look at her mouth. Oh no. What was your breakfast? You can say, I ate chocolates. Can you say it?
I ate chocolate.
No bread, no rice, chocolates for breakfast? Oh, do you think it's okay? Tell them, it's okay.
Okay.
Say, it's okay. Stronger.
Flour.
Maybe the whole thing. You have to dance.
Okay. I want.
Okay, now put your hand in like this.
Okay.
Okay. He always says, I want to. Can I eat your arm? Can I eat your elbow? Okay, can you put it? Baking powder. Okay, thank you. A little bit for Tora. And no, it's enough. Now you can mix with this. Mix
That.
with this.
No.
But then you have to put milk.
That.
Okay? Both? Okay. Can I do this one? So you do this one? Okay. But everybody wants to see. Look. Show. Wait. I don't know how much milk. Is this okay?
Oh yeah.
More? Done.
Done.
Can you eat it? How is it?
Yummy.